Dear Astodi user, we are delighted to tell you about our latest developments that will make your work more efficient, productive, and faster. Many people have been asking for the ability to upload local files in the browser-based version. The feature has now been added and is live as of now. Previously, files could only be uploaded using the desktop version of the app, but now the browser is also suitable for this purpose. This makes Astodi even more flexible to use anytime, anywhere, from any computer. It is important to know that in this case, it is not the local machine that will count the proxy files, but our central server. The original file, however, will also be uploaded to the Astodi cloud storage. If this is not needed afterward, it can be deleted, but we will even keep your original files for you. We have several more developments and gifts in store for you. We have raised the bar for free users. We have doubled the storage capacity to 100 gigabytes and the file sending limit to 1,000 files. If these limits have been holding you back so far, the update may be exactly what you've been waiting for. You will also have 250 HD and 4K clips for free. Open your Shared With Me folder and take your pick, feel free to use what you find there. There are also some other long-awaited improvements that have been implemented. AI auto tagging has been integrated. What is it? Following the upload, your footage can be automatically tagged with the help of artificial intelligence. These can be extended later, but much of the work is done by our system for you. Going ahead, this will make it much easier to find the clips you need. We have also made bulk downloads possible. You no longer have to download the files you need one by one. If you need several original or proxy files, select them and download them all in one zip file. Finally, we can also report that we have simplified the registration process. As an existing user, this does not apply to you directly, but if you want to invite your partners or colleagues to collaborate, they can now sign up in a few moments. We are looking forward to your feedback and comments. For further technical assistance, get in touch on Astodi website, and we'll be happy to organize an online technical webinar for you. Keep up the good work.